Namaste, my dear student. Today I'll start exercise 8.1 trigonometry chapter. So let's see. So today I continue with the exercise 8.1. So question number 3, from question number 3, if sin A equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos and tan. So by applying trigonometry ratio, we have to find cos and sin A. The solution, given that what, sin A equal to what, 3 by 4. So we consider a right angle triangle here. So right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, if we consider, suppose this angle is A and this is B and C, so we consider a right angle triangle. So an angle A is given, so this is the base. So it is given sin A equal to 3 by 4. Okay, we know that, what you know, we know that the formula of sin A equal to what? We know sin A equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here what is a perpendicular? That is BC. So you put here BC and AC is the hypotenuse. And this is equal to already given 3 by 4. Okay, sin A equal to, according to the formula you get for BC by AC is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and this is equal to 3 by 4. So you take here K. Okay, you write it late. Okay, now therefore from this you will get BC equal to 3K. From this you will get BC equal to 3K and AC equal to 4K. This is the actual how we find according to the proportion. So you can take this AC to here and BC by 3, AC by 4. This is equal to K. According to the proportion, this BC equal to 3K and AC equal to 4K we get. Okay, so here we get BC equal to what? BC equal to here 3K and AC equal to 4K. So now we need what? AB by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what do we know? Hypotenuse square. Here hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to what? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, your AC value is given 4K. So you put here 4K whole square, and AB you have to find. So AB square. Then BC is equal to what? BC is equal to 3K whole square. Okay, now you see 4K means 16. 4 square means 16. K square means K square. And this is equal to what? AB square plus here 3 square means 9 and K square means what? K square. So now you simplify here. Okay, now you take the AB the same side, AB square and 16K square, you will get 9K square. From here AB square is equal to, you will get what? What you get? You will get what? 7. Yes, 7K square. So finally what you get? AB equal to what you get? AB is equal to square root of 7K square. So finally from here root over 7 you will get 7 and K square means you will get K. So finally what you get? AB is equal to what? Root over 7K. So now what we have to find? That is cos A. So according to the formula ratio proportion, according to the trigonometric ratio, cos A is what? Base by hypotenuse. So your base is what? This. So base is AB. So AB by what? AC. So here what you get AB is root over 7k and AC you get 4k. So this k cancel, you will get root over 7 by 4. And another is what 10. 10a equal to what? 10a equal to what? Wait. So another what? 10a. Sorry. 10a equal to what? We know perpendicular by base. So perpendicular here BC by AB. So BC by AB, what is your BC? BC is 3k and AB is what? 4. AB is root over 7k and k cancel, you will get 3 by root over 7. So finally we get cos A equal to root over 7 by 4 and k equal to 3 by root over 7. Okay, clear? Okay. So now I continue with other question. Let's see. Finally we get what? Cos A equal to root over 7 by 4 and tan A equal to 3 by root over 7. So now I will come another question. Question number 4. Given 15 cot A equal to 8, find sin A sec A. We can do by the similar method, by using the same method. Okay. Let's continue. Solution. Given that what we get here, given 15 cot A is equal to what? 8. So here you write only cot A and you take this 15 to the right hand side, you will get divide. So cot A equal to 8 by 15. So again we know that so you draw one right angle triangle. Similarly, so here you have to find A. So you write here A and you take this is B and this is C. So we know that according to the trigonometric ratio, what is the relationship between cot A and with the side. So cot A equal to what? This is the opposite of tan A. We know tan A equal to what? Perpendicular by base. So here base is this and perpendicular is this because adjacent side of A is AB. So we know cot A is the reciprocal of what? Tan. So if tan is perpendicular base, then cot is what? Base by perpendicular. So your base is what? AB and perpendicular is what? BC. So AB by BC. So this is equal to what? 8 by 15. So you take this is K. So let. So finally what you get? This AB equal to you will get 8K and BC equal to you will get 15K. Okay. So now you write this value here. Here 8K and BC is 15K. So you have to find this hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. So what we know? Hypotenuse squared is equal to. You write here. Okay. Hypotenuse squared is equal to what? Base squared plus perpendicular squared. So you have to find AC. So AC square equal to what is the value of AB? AB is given 8K whole square and BC is given 15K whole square. Okay. So now AC square 8 square means 64K square plus 15 square means 225K square. So finally what you get? Finally you will get AC square equal to what? 289K square. So from here, so you will get AC is equal to what? Square root of 289K square. So 289 square root of 289 you will get 17. Here you will K. So finally we get what? AC equal to what? 17K. So now we use what? Trigonometric ratio. So now You have to find sin A. So sin A you write sin A. We know what? Sin A is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is what? BC. Here perpendicular is what? BC. And hypotenuse is AC. So what is the value of BC? BC is what? 15K. So 15K and AC is what? 17K. So finally here you will get what? K cancel. You will get 15 by 17 and another is what? M. Sec A. This is the reciprocal of what? Cos. Cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. So here you will get hypotenuse by base. So AC by AB. So your AC is 17K and AB is 8K. And this KK cancel, you will get 17 by 8. Okay. This is the answer for this question. Okay. So I will continue another question. Let's see. So now question number 7. Question number 7 is given cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And another question also given cot square theta. So you have to evaluate this question. Okay. So now here what is? So now I continue. Solution. It is given that cot theta. So here 7 by 8. So I consider a right angle triangle here. Okay. So this is right angle and B, suppose, and this is A and this is C. Okay. So here given theta. So I consider this is the theta. Okay. And angle A is equal to what? Theta. Same thing. If it is given angle A, then here it is given theta, and also no problem. So cot A equal to this. So we know that what? Cot theta is equal to, means cot theta is the opposite of what? Tan theta. That is tan theta is perpendicular by base and this will be base by perpendicular. So here you will get AB by what? BC. And this is equal to given 7 by 8. So we put here K. So this is length. But K is a constant or real number. K is a real number. Okay. So now therefore what we get? AB is equal to what? AB equal to, you will get 7K and BC is equal to 8K. All the processes are same, just question are different. So by Pythagoras Theorem, so we know hypotenuse square AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. So AC is equal to what? AC you have to find. So AC square is equal to, so here it is AB is 7K and BC is 8K. So what is AB? AB is 7K whole square and BC is 8K whole square. So from here what we get? AC square equal to, this is 49K square and this is 64K square. Okay. So don't forget to write the square, K square. Okay. Sometimes some students are forget to write K square. Okay. Now AC square is equal to what? 4, 9, then 11, 113 K square. So finally you will get AC equal to root over 113 K square and AC is equal to what? AC is equal to 113 root over 113 K. Okay. Because we cannot get square root of 113. Okay. Clear? So is it visible here? So AC is equal to root over 113. Okay. I write this one here. Okay. Finally we will get what? AC equal to what? Root over 113 into K. Okay. Now question 1 is given what? Sin theta and cos theta. So first we find what is the value of cos sin theta. So therefore sin theta equal to what? So here what AC will, you will get what, 113 into k. So sin theta means perpendicular by base or perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is BC, BC by AC. So BC value is what? BC is 8k and AC is root over 113k. And this k cancel, you will get 8 by root over 113. And cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse. Your base is AB by AC. So AB value is what? 7k and AC is root over 113k. This k cancel, so you will get 7 by root over 113. Okay. This is sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. So this here you will get this. Okay. So according to question number 1, now 1 is given what? 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, okay, divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So you put the value. So here you will get 1 plus sin theta is what? So I write in another place. Okay, I write this part. Okay, I write this part. So what? Here it is given 1 plus sin theta is equal to, we get 8 by root over 113 and 1 minus 8 by root over what? 113. Finally cos theta is equal to, you get 7 by root over 113 and what? 1 minus 7 by root over 113. Okay. So how we continue this? So you take the LCM, this part, here you will get 100, 113, here you will get root over 113 plus 8 into, here what you get, root over 113 minus 8 divided by root over 113. So in the denominator you also get root over 113, this into 113 plus 7 into root over 113 minus 7 divided by root over 113. Okay. Now you multiply this. This one multiplies. Okay. If you multiply these two, you will get 113. Okay. And finally you say this one what? Above part is a plus b into a minus b. Finally you will get here 113 whole square minus 8 square. So in the denominator also you will get 113. This is root over 113 whole square minus 7 square. Okay, because a plus b into a minus b. So these two are cancelled. Okay. So finally you will get here 113 square means 113 and 8 square means 64. Here also you get 1 2 here 49. Finally what you get here? What? 49 by 64. This is the result of question number 1. Okay, clear? So now what is the next result? Where 49 by 64 you will put. Just this simple calculation. First you have to take LCM of this 1 and this 2 and like that. Okay, clear? So other part will be I will do here. So question number 2. Okay. So 2 number is forward. 2 number is given what? Cot square theta. So cot square theta, we can write this cot theta whole square. So already cot theta is given what? Cot theta is given what? 7 by 8. You put here 7 by 8 whole square. Then 7 square means 49 by 64. These are the required result. Okay. So finally we get the question in the question number 1. Answer is 49 by 64. and question number 2 also 49 by 64. Clear? Okay, I will continue with the other question. So now I continue with the question number 9. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan equal to 1 by root over 3, find the value of sin A cos A plus cos A sin C and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Similar process. So it is given that tan A equal to 1 by root over 3. So we consider a right angle triangle and actually given. So here B is right angle. So we know that what? We know that tan A equal to what? Perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is here BC by base. So AB. So here 1 by root over 2 we put K. So finally we will get BC equal to what? 1K and AB equal to root over 3K. So by you have to find this AC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem you will get what? AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. So you have to find AC square. BC is equal to 1K whole square, and this is root over 3K whole square. So finally you will get AC square equal to, here you will K square and here you get root over 3K square. So here 1K and 3K means 4K square. So finally here you will get AC equal to what? 2K. Okay, finally you will get AC equal to 2K. Okay, so now directly I will take the question number 1. Sin A what? Cos C plus cos A what? Sin C. Okay, now you see sin A is what? Sin always what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is what? BC. So we can take this 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 into then cos C is equal to what? Cos is equal to cos C. You see C, when you take C means this is C, so you have to take this is base. Okay, so base by what? Hypotenuse. So here base, what is your base for the angle C? Your base is what? This. So 1 by what? 2. So here also 1 by 2 plus again cos A, angle A. So for angle A your base will be this. You always remember this, where what angle you have to find. So adjacent side of that angle is known as base. So cos A is base by hypotenuse. So here you will get root over 3 by 2 into then sin C. Again you go to the angle sin C. So this is what? This is your base for the angle C. So if it is base, this is perpendicular. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is sin. So root over 3 by 2. Okay. Finally here you will get 1 by 4 and here you will get root over 3. Root over 3 it is equal to 3 by 4. So here what you get? 4, and if you take 4 LCM, that is 4. So here you will get 1 plus 3. Finally you will get 4 by 4. This is your answer will be 1 for the question 1. Okay. So next question number 2. Let's see question number 2. So question number 2 is given what? Question number 2 is given what? Cos A cos C minus sin A what? Sin C. Okay. What is the value of cos A? Cos A is root over 3 by 2. Cos C is 1 by 2 minus sin A is equal to half and sin C is equal to what? Sin C is equal to root over 3 by 2. So here finally you will get root over 3 by 4. Here you will get root over 3 by 4. Because 2 2s are 4 and 1 into root over 3. So finally here what you get? 0. So question number 1 your answer will be 1 and question number 2 your answer will be 0. Okay. So today I finish here. So another question, by taking another question I will make another video for some interesting question which are coming in which are already which was coming in earlier exam, CBSE board exam. So we'll discuss for that very interesting topic. So if you like my video, then take one like, give one like, and if you like my channel, then you subscribe my channel and share it. Namaskar.